Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. This video here, I'll be replacing speaker on a MacBook Pro model A1502, and this is a 13-inch model. So one of the speaker on the right side is blown, and as I play some music, I can hear the static noise or muffled sound. So I'll be replacing the speaker, and I'd like to share this video with you, and let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is to get a pentalobe screwdriver and remove the back plate. There are 4 screws on the top, 1 screw on each side of the middle section, and there are 4 screws at the bottom. Once you have all the screws removed, you can go ahead and remove the back plate. Once you have the back plate removed, this is what you will see. So bottom here is your battery, CPU fan. This entire here is a logic board, and this is your SSD hard drive that store all your information like your data and operating system. Here at the bottom, you would have the left speaker and the right speaker. So I'll be replacing this speaker here on the right side, on my left side. Okay, and the speaker wire is pretty long, and it's actually go underneath here. Okay, so the first thing first, you need to disconnect the battery. Once the battery is disconnected, you can get a pentalobe, this is a torque 5 screwdriver. Let's go ahead and remove this cable. So here's your speaker. Okay, I have a blown speaker here, and I'll be replacing with the new one. What you want to do is you want to make sure the cable is connected back on, and kind of tuck it and hide it underneath it. Let's put the cable back on here. Have the bracket that goes back on, and the 2 screws that holds it. Okay, once you have that thing done, I do not need to replace the right speaker, but for you that you may need to replace the speaker, it's very simple steps. Go ahead and disconnect this cable. All right, so once you have that disconnected, there are 3 screws. And that's how you can replace the right speaker. But for my case, like I said, I only have the left speaker that is blown out. The right speaker is still good. So let me put it back on. You might want to slide a cable in first and then put the speaker back on properly. Again, there are 3 screws that holds onto it. Once you have the screws back on, make sure you remember to put the speaker cable back on. It just go press like a Lego. All right, at this point here, for those of you who wants to change out the hard drive, and this is your hard drive, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Changing out the speaker is not that difficult. And finally, I'll make sure that I have the battery cable goes back on. Let me put the back plate back on here. So make sure you have all the screws. All right, and this is a final screw. Let's turn it on, shall we? And make sure that we can test it and have all the sound in a good quality. Okay, let me go ahead and get to YouTube and play something here for you. And also I'll be going to the system preferences and the sound. I'm going to make sure that the speaker is right in the middle, so I have a balance on both sides.
What if I told you you could go back 50? Yes, 50 generations of your family that you won't find in any books or photos because
looks good to me.
Photos didn't exist back then.
So,
You find meaning.
and I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment below and subscribe. Until next time, I look forward. Thank you. Bye bye.